For plastic mold cleaning, ID Additives offers our ID EcoPro 360 cleaning solution and the ID EcoPro 360 cart. The reusable EcoPro cleaning solution safely removes rust, mineral, and limescale buildup and provides a nano coating for rust prevention for tools, cooling passages, heat exchangers, and more. The ID EcoPro 360 cart is a preventative maintenance cleaning system with a pump and filter combination unit. The built-in filter allows the EcoPro 360 solution to remain at peak performance and can be reused for up to 3 years without replacement. Bryan Whitaker, our EcoPro Technical Support Specialist, can answer any questions about rust maintenance. Bryan is MoldTrax trained, holds scientific cooling certifications, and is experienced with flushing out tools, cooling passages, heat exchangers, and more. He can show you how to use the ID EcoPro 360 solution and cart on your products and help prepare a detailed preventative maintenance program for your facility. ID Additives offers unmatched technical support for innovative products. Contact us today for a free sample and technical support for your next project.